we're just gonna drift shrimp back to the bridges, a couple lures, and try and hook onto some giant silver kings for you guys. I love fishing, guys. Comment below if you love fishing, and we can be friends. You know, I'll like your comment, I'll reply back. I'm trying to let this just bounce near the bottom. That's where the yellows tend to like to sit. Sushimi, hey, 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 hey. Okay, he's right there. All right, guys, we are walking into the shack, Bite Me Bait Shack, because we need some shrimp. We're gonna go for some tarpon tonight and see if we can get tight on some big fish. What's up, guys? It's another day of fishing. We're gonna go try and hit up some big tarpon again tonight in Miami. I'm launching out of Matheson Hammocks down here, and we're gonna get into it. Got a bunch of shrimp, got a bunch of lures. So we're gonna try both artificial and lures today to see if we can get maybe some snapper or some yellow jacks. If we don't get out too late, it's already like almost 4 o'clock right now. So I don't know, how the tide is gonna be, but I think we'll be good for tarpon for sure. So let's get out there and have some fun. Guys, drop some comments. I love to interact. The comments and likes, they help my channel grow. So if you guys could drop some comments so I can have a conversation with y'all, I really appreciate it. But enjoy the video. It's time to start fishing. Here, roll up my sleeves so they don't get soaking wet. There's a shrimp swimming on the top. I think he wants to get hit. I'm just gonna go straight through the head of the shrimp. Kind of like that. Had to switch out, put some heavier weight on because this current is ripping pretty good through here. And just drop it back in the current. Let it go down and see if we get smacked. What we got? Can't be too big. It's not what we came out here for. We want the other ones. But they are pretty fish, guys. Take a look. I'm way backlit, so you probably can't see. We're just killing some time right now. As you guys can see, the sun's gonna drop down a little bit. And we're gonna go for some tarpon. We'll hit all the known bridges in Miami. So there's no secrets, no secret spots that I'm going to. All right, so we're switching up. I'm gonna head over to these finger channels over here and try and take advantage of bait fish being pushed off of the flats into these deeper cuts. See what happens. There's an opening right here, and there's a little hole over here according to my GPS. Current's pushing right towards it, so I'm gonna chum up right at the bend, and hopefully we can get something like snapper or some yellows to come around. If not, like I said, priority number one today is tarpon fishing. And we're just gonna drift shrimp back to the bridges, couple lures, and try and hook onto some giant silver kings for you guys. All right, so we wanted to leave that spot. It wasn't too much hitting, small little fish. But came over here, try and fish some of these rocks that are under the water, underneath these bridges, and that's it. Actually, I still got a dead shrimp on right here, so I'm just gonna toss this out. See if I can catch a fish. Got a little chum back. It is choppy back here. We're rocking and rolling. He had a big hit, but it line popped, so. That looks like a keeper mangrove snapper.
Right there.
It's almost. 10 on the dot, so I'm gonna not keep them. Like I said, we're rocking and rolling, guys. First keeper mang, but it's pretty much 10 and maybe a quarter. And ain't nobody has no time for that. Actually, since we're gonna be back here, when you come up, bring the measuring thing. We'll put it under the seat here. Make it a little easier. But yeah, we got a little bit of weight, a little ½ ounce, because there is some current. We're trying to drop it down to get the shrimp to drift right above where the these rocks are that are behind us. And that's it. If I can catch some good keeper fish and a big tarpon, well, today's gonna be a great day. Let's see, that was my first cast. What's gonna happen on my second cast? Ah, there's fish back there. You gotta find that sweet spot though. Damn, this is when we wish we had some cut bait. Trying to use some of these smaller shrimp. Yeah, like his first cast, he dropped his rod, bent, drag ripped, and his line popped somewhere along the actual braid, not even on the leader. So he had a fray somewhere. Okay. Another one. Another right on the 10-inch mark. We need them bigger. It's definitely not as cold as I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be colder, guys.
Wait till the sun's gone.
Yeah, when the sun's completely down, I'll probably have to throw on another jacket. You know what? I caught one big one right under here before. I wonder. I'm already hit. Smaller. Ah, another mango snapper though. Look at it. This one, little guy. Little guy. I wonder if they'll hit a silver DOA shrimp. Because they do eat pilchards and stuff, so it is silver. Maybe it'll confuse them enough to eat. Oh! Well, that's a keeper fish. We got a yellow jack. Hey! Sushimi. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey.
You got what you want.
Yeah. Look at this. Look how beautiful these fish are. Gobbled up that DOA right there. Look at the color. It's not a big one, but it does make for some really good sushimi. So let's see if we can get a few more of these bad boys too. Bro, you might have hit a big yellow jack on your first cast. That's probably what that was. First fish in the cooler. Let's see if there's any more yellow jacks drifting. Bank it right there. Oh, that's a fish. This one a little too small. But you know what? There's some fish here. Ow! Strong little guy. Come on, yellows. Where are you at? Big old dolphin back there. Oh, tug. Ah, what do we got?
I think you found the hole, bro.
There's a little yellow jack hole right there. Dang. Now I just want to find the bigger ones though. Oop. Whoa. Get your sea legs, baby. Ah. You guys like the view? There we go. I got him off. Woo. Yellow after yellow after yellow after yellow. I'm gonna try again in this hole. I'm letting it go all the way to the bottom. And then just kind of popping it. I have a feeling they're on this last. Ooh. Well, they're there too, obviously. But yeah, guys, I'm just using a DOA, little silver DOA. Pull another one off this side. Another one. Yellow after yellow. Ow! Got me with the hook. Another yellow. This one's going in the cooler just because he poked me with the hook. So that's more sushimi. You on or snag? You're having all kinds of trouble, bro. Aren't you? I won't even film that. Giant fish. Giant fish. Okay. Yellow jack. Hey, these DOAs are killing it today, baby. Another one in the cooler. I'm gonna go to the next pilings over. If nothing hits, we'll come back here. Perfect cast. Right between the two pilings. Let it sink down. When I'm guessing it's about bottom, I'm just kind of giving it a couple little pops. Nothing too crazy. Boom. Oh, there's fish there. There's fish there. But they keep pulling my tail. This is what happens. See that? Ah. Another yellow jack. Yellow Jack City. This one's gonna get off the hook and back in the water. Okay, I lied. It's going in the cooler. Bigger one. Oh, you can eat it. You can eat it. Let me come over here. Look at this. Look what he just caught. I'm pretty sure you can eat that, bro.
Yeah, this is definitely big enough.
Look. That's a big boy right there.
20-inch, 40. That's crazy.
Okay. Another yellow jack. Guys, keep count. No, actually, don't keep count. This one's actually bigger.
Look at the size of that boat.
it is time to go tarpon fishing. Like I said, we've got some live bait. Josue's got a shrimp on right now, and all we're gonna do is drift it back towards the bridge and hope that a tarpon eats. Now is the waiting game. Now we have to be patient. Rod in hand, or you can use Rodney if you want. And wait for a tarpon to cruise by. Tonight we got some competition. There's 2 other boats out here. Can't tell if they're shrimp. One guy's got a shrimp net, but I think they're drifting back for tarpon as well. We got a guy shrimping over here to my right, so I'm not gonna get too close to him. I don't want to mess up his mojo. We can sit here for a while, but I'm gonna cruise in a little closer that way, just to kind of work this edge here. I'm gonna back off a little bit, but the current's pushing at an angle, so I want to make sure. I want to make sure that I'm not too close, but not too far either. Go this way, boom. Get a little further from the bridge. Let's take this jacket off. Throw a shrimp on. Try and catch a tarpon. Got the live bait set up now. Yeah, I haven't seen any action at all.
Oh, you're the monster night guy.
Yeah.
Oh, what up?
Chilling, man.
Is this the first spot you fish?
Tonight, well,
Like tonight?
I got a bunch of yellow jacks and stuff at the other bridges, and some snapper. So we just want to finish off with some tarpon.
We're gonna go pop out now to the other bridge and see what's up.
All right, well, good luck, man.
Dolly, you too.
Let's do this. Let's go see if we can rip one out of there. Going forward. You finally, there, keep them on. Keep them on. Boy didn't listen to me. I said, keep them on. That's a big tarpon. Sucks to be you, bro. Sucks to be you. That was a good fish too. That wasn't like, that was bigger than some of the ones I've seen come out of here. Get it, boy. Don't let this one go. Bro. Your line popped again? Or the hook? Get the hook. Yeah, Josue is good, so good at like hooking fish.
Not catching.
Catching them is a whole nother story. Yeah, that's part of the game, guys. It's part of the game. Get him out. He's coming this way? Yeah. Alright, perfect, perfect. I'm gonna try and pull away from the bridge a little bit. First cast, bro. Look at that. You might be. Bro. Bro. That's 4. That was a big one. Can you stand up that light? Since there's fish here? Yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. Oh, just thumped me, bro. Like that. That's how you got her.
Let's go.
Let's get
Right.
Okay, he's right there. No. Let's go that way. Oh, my back.
I gotta
Turn up. Turn up the plus sign to get away from the bridge. And turn it to the right a little bit. Hold right. There you go. And crank it up again. There you go. Jesus. Keep going. I just gotta keep them from getting in there. Jesus. This guy's strong. This one's strong. Okay, I think he's getting tired. Yeah, hit the anchor button. No, phone's not in my pocket. Phone's right there, right there. Oh, God, he's out. Oh, Jesus. Oh. He's coming right at us. Yeah. Where is he? Oh, okay. He's still staying down. There he is. Bro. Bro. Oh. Yeah, that's the biggest one I've caught in a couple years. That's bigger than the other one. This is why we do it, baby. Oh. Guys, I hope you enjoy this type of content, man. If you guys could see this tarpon in real life, like in person, not on camera. This is bigger than the other one that I caught. He wants to go under the damn boat. There he's coming back out. Yeah. Woo. Shit. Yeah. Oh, I gotta switch sides. Bruise the other side of my groin. Let me sit here for a second. Holy crap. This is one of them ones. He's right there. Yeah. It's a big boy. Shrimp. Yeah. What's up, man?
You'll see this video soon?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on the CEO fishing channel. Hey, we came from over there too, man. We jumped a couple by the boats, but that was it. Nothing. But they weren't eating. Bro, two casts and we got 2 fish. How deep does it say? 3 feet? Okay. Try to pull this up as high as I can. The
boat shouldn't leave us, right?
No. Get tired. This way. Should have just landed it. Yeah, it finally came out. I should have just landed that shit, bro. I was trying to do a glorious beach landing so I could show the fish and revive them and stuff. And just spit my hook. Look at that. Back to the boat. All right, guys, we're running on pretty much no sleep. We got in late last night, about 3 in the morning, got up early again, and I still got parking paid for. You know, it's a 24-hour pass. So now we're back on the boat. It's been raining all morning, and we knew that, but it's absolutely glass right now. I'm gonna show you here in a second. But yeah, we figured, you know what? We got some shrimp still left. We got pilchards because someone at the dock literally just gave us about 2 dozen pilchards, you know, because he saw us going back out. And I think we gotta go catch some fish. Flat, 2-mile-an-hour winds, 2 miles per hour. We're launching out of Matheson. Some of y'all know this is childhood memories. Coming over here every weekend, bucket of fried chicken from Publix, hanging out, catching seahorses. But yeah, we're catching more than seahorses today, right? Are you gonna lose a tarpon? I don't count them out on losing a tarpon. I don't think that's what they planned on doing, guys. I guess they're gonna wait for the tide to come in. Why do you keep trying to steal the bait? Huh? Why do you keep trying to steal the bait? What are you doing? Fight! Fight! Oh, he beat him. And the winner! Guy with the mohawk. Bro, you're gonna have to get a nickname soon. The Snaggler. He can call you the Snaggler. You got the Snaggler over there, but Daddy's catching fish. It's an ugly day, but we decided to come out anyways. And look, you're gonna see we're already catching fish. Oh, you were casting here, right? Let me see. Let me see. Oh, hey. Little yellowtail. Literally, little yellowtail. Ooh. What do we got? Another yellow jack. Boom. Keeper? You sure? Look at 8-inch yellow jack.
Add up, bro.
I'll catch another one. All right, it's not as cold as it was. Let's take that off, pull my pants up. Bunch of sausage party on a yacht over there. Look at that sausage party on a yacht. There we go. This is what we need right here. And we're catching fish. There we go. Bigger snaps. Bigger snaps. What we got? Is that a bigger yellow? Is it your buddy? That's your favorite fish?
Porgy.
Another porgy. Damn, he swallowed you too. There's a mang. This one is. Woo! 2 mangs. What'd you catch, buddy? What'd you catch?
Ziploc.
Well, at least it's not a freaking jellyfish that I thought it was.
Shout out to man.
Oh man, I told you there was something on your line though. At least you got something today. What do you want, buddy? What do you want? You looking for snacks? You looking for snacks? Hmm? Trying to get snacks? I don't got snacks for you, buddy. I'm sorry.